We are in Indagaon range at Talakot camp in USTR. If you see, we are at a very interesting site. We are at the border of Odisha and Chhattisgarh. On the back side of me, it is Odisha, where there are a lot of villages, complete, living population out here. On the backside of this, from 1 kilometer from here, the South Udanti core range of USTR starts. So this place is a very sensitive zone in every sense. Animals in summers, because there is no water inside here, come out to the villages and drink water. So the conflict happens. The chances of hunting also goes up. So we are trying to stop all of it by giving water inside through a solar system from Talakot camp to inside the forest. The two water bodies will feed a lot of animals, including cheetahs, langurs, a leopard which moves very regularly out here, hyena, wild boars. So yes, a very important place. Water body 1, Talakot. Water body 2, Talakot. Hi, we are in Goramal in Indagaon range in Udanti-Sitanadi Tiger Reserve. We have done a very interesting site in Goramal out here. If you see, this is a beautiful grassland out here. This has been created because a village was evacuated and moved from here. If you see, I find this one of the best grasslands in the entire Udanti-Sitanadi Tiger Reserve. There is a proposed fencing out there to stop the animals coming inside, the villagers coming inside. It will happen very soon. So the entire 2-kilometer area will be fenced, and the entire grassland, which is a huge grassland, will be available for the herbivorous animals to breed and to grow out here. If you see, we have done a 1 HP system out here. We have given water to 2 water bodies, and we have left 1 tap for the plantation out here, because plantation will also happen here, and it will help the entire ecosystem out here. So we are expecting that the water out here will help the grassland to grow really well and the animals to stay here. You can see cheetahs, leopard, you can see sloth bear very regularly coming out here. So yes, this is one change we want to see in this forest, a beautiful grassland growing in future out here. Thank you.